Here we have StormLockPicks versus the 7-lever safe lock. Here's what a lever lock key looks like. In a safety deposit box, you would have 2 of these levers. Picking it's the exact same way, except you have twice as many levers to pick. You only need to apply tension to this first one. See, the bolt retracts. If you had another one here, you'd put this key in and turn it, and then you would put this key in and it would retract the bolt. So you would apply tension here and pick this one, then this one. This is for a regular safe though, not a safety deposit box, so it's only got the one side. I've used a piece of electrical tape to cover up this hole. On this side you can see the hole, but there's no levers in there, so it doesn't matter. But there's a hole exactly like this. In fact, I'll let you see that. If you look in there, you can see the levers. There's actually 7 of them, although you can only see the first few, or maybe from the side. You can see a few of them. Anyway, let's go ahead and pick it. I'll apply tension to the center piece here. I'll show you why. To apply tension, I'm using a 3.5mm tension wrench. See the bolt move? This little circle plate actually touches that bolt. So if I apply tension to this, I can actually hit that lever. Or I can actually move the bolt. And I'll be using this, it's a hook pick, 7E, so it's actually got a little dimple on the tip there. I'll use that to grab each lever. It's hard to feel which levers are set and which aren't, because they have really strong springs on them, so they all feel stiff. There we go. There's the bolt retracted. Now I'll remove this tape and you can see what happens to the bolt. See how the gray piece, that's the bolt, it slides into the space. Here you'll see all the levers are going to drop back down and that space disappears. See? Anyway, that's StormLockPicks opening the lever lock. Thanks for watching.